Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching your Apple Watch app menu layout between Grid View and List View. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By default, the Apple Watch menu style is this honeycomb grid view. To change the style, find and open the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down a bit and you will see an option called App View. Tap that. Here you can switch between Grid View and List View. As you can see, my app menu has switched to List View. It's also possible to change the menu settings of your watch using the Watch app on your phone. On the main page of your watch screen, you can tap App View and then switch between Grid View and List View. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.